We're at Wat Tham Khuha Sawan. I probably massacred the name, but this is the world's tallest gong. You see how tall above Jai. It's very, very big gong. I don't think it's the tallest in the world.
In Chiam district, Wat Tham, Thailand.
I don't think they can hear you. Okay, where is this?
Wat Tham Khuha Sawan. This is the biggest, the biggest in the world.
We spotted this when we were driving by to the two rivers, two color rivers. And the temple is what caught my eye. Actually, the gong did too, but the temple's beautiful looking, white. It's kind of like the white temple, only it's the only one of it here. There are stairs that come from down below. I flew the drone here already, and I couldn't find the stairs. They're probably lost in the trees. And I had a close call with a tree already once. And I was really being cautious about that big antenna in the background there. I wanted to bring you over and show you these trees over here. There's another setup here in the trees. See all that massive root. There's a lot more over here. This is a pretty cool place. It's worth the stop. It's worth the visit if you're ever by the two colors rivers, the Mekong and Moon. Isn't that pretty? It's done in the same fashion as the White Temple is in Chiang Rai. So now that we're out here walking around, we're going to look for the steps. Okay, even with somebody giving us directions, we still got lost here. What is this here, Jai?
Huh?
It looks like it might be a water feature that's just not running.
Yeah. Not run yet.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a water pond in front. The food court and shops here. That's because you're supposed to come up the stairs and then you know where you came from. The bell tower here. No wonder I couldn't see it with a drone.
In the front. Wow, see? It's beautiful.
Yeah. So that would be the, that's the Mekong River.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at the sandbar on the other side. And that's Lao. We're looking at Lao.
Yeah, Lao.
Really, most of the river is on the Lao side. More of the roots, the tree root or stump.
You remember this, the one that I bought in?
Yeah, for your rice.
For rice, sticky rice.
Oh, here they are. We knew it was in line with the Buddha, but I couldn't see it. You cannot see this with the drone from overhead. We're not going to go all the way down because it's a long ways down there.
อรวันเลยอรวัน
Big Chang. Yeah, no wonder I couldn't see this with the drone. It's well hidden. No. Here they keep going here. We're not going to do that. Oh geez, it's even farther down the stairs
We don't see
than what it looked like, because you don't even see that part, the big wide stuff. You gotta take your shoes off here. My knees are sore. These are. Hello, little doggy. Hello, little doggy. Oh, look how cute. I don't know if I'm supposed to film in here, so I won't stay in.
Mi nhấtตัวโอ้โหเป็น
จังว่า2 ตัวหมื่นกว่า
Hello, We came up to the 3rd floor tower to see if we could see the stairs, and you still cannot. The bell tower there, 3 levels as well. You can see the size of the place here. Sure, go ahead and sit. See, we're on the 3rd floor here, and the gong is way taller than us still. Go to the next one. Different tones. Come around. They're different sizes and wimpy. We hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We're out.